How to check Milestone Credit Card application status. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can check the Milestone Credit Card application status. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So there are certain methods you need to follow after you have applied for your credit card on Milestone in order to check your application status. So in order to check the status of your Milestone credit card application, you just need to go on the site that is mentioned on my screen right now, the browsing site on my screen right now. You may just copy and paste the browsing site. After that, you just need to log in using your banking details and submit your details and log in and verify. After logging in into your account on the Milestone MasterCard mobile app or the Milestone website, you may just go along or call the customer service number for the issuer. You can find the customer service number on that website very easily or the app. After that, just go on with the process and you should be able to note or check the status of your Milestone credit card. Otherwise, most credit card issuers also allow you to check your application status online, though this may only be an option if you have applied for the card online. You can also pre-qualify for a Milestone credit card, access your account 24/7 to view your balance transactions and statements, make or schedule payments, set up auto-pay to ensure your payments are made on time, and get a MasterCard that's accepted online in store and in app. So these are the methods on how you can check the status of your Milestone credit card application. Just follow this process and you should be able to do it. And along with that, you can also have these features when you do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.